To reach the Chinese market this autumn of 2025, the new third-gen Nio ES8 arrives as an all-new, full-size battery-electric SUV with the latest technology and styling aggression updates. Now built on Nio's new NT3 modular architecture, the same architecture platform that underpins Nio's ET9 luxury sedan. This new ES8 model brings several performance and platform updates to help stimulate interest for this flagship nameplate. With this release, Nio aims to further establish its dominance in the luxury EV market. Particularly comes as a relief at a time when its previous ES8 model had sluggish sales in early 2025. The ES8 NT3 release also represents a spectacular change in Nio's product launch strategy. By convention, the company's major event every year, Nio Day, would previously be held during winter, at the end of the calendar year. Nevertheless, Nio Day 2025 will be postponed to take place in autumn to facilitate better synchronization with new models' delivery. The strategic adjustment was prompted by many factors, including more favorable season weather for hosting big events, more flexible venues, and harmonizing product launch schedules with consumers' demands. The event will also serve as the official launching platform for the third-gen ES8, with announcement to be made later. The ES8 NT3 presents what electric SUVs of today are capable of. It features an evolved exterior design, in this instance, a more aerodynamic front grille with a downsized intake and bigger headlamps. The body has been left streamlined as the plastic wheel arch cladding has been taken off. There are also some extra niceties like another LiDAR sensor mounted on the roof, used for top-of-the-line driver assistance features, darkened pillars to assist in the creation of a floating roof look, and a single full-width LED light bar at the rear that also makes the SUV look more futuristic in appearance. In terms of size, the new ES8 has grown quite a bit. It measures 5,280 millimeters in length, 2,010 millimeters in width, and 1,800 millimeters in height, with a wheelbase of 3,130 millimeters. It is 181 millimeters longer, 21 millimeters wider, and 50 millimeters higher than its replacement. Such size increase has resulted in a more confident road presence and roomier cabin. Internally, the SUV features flexible seating configurations with 6-seat and 7-seat capacities that are meant to accommodate family users as well as upscale consumers looking for added comfort. Underneath its angular body, the ES8 NT3 also boasts a dual-motor, all-wheel drive system that boasts a massive 520 kilowatts or 697 horsepower. The system is said to deliver excellent acceleration and performance, ideal for any driving environment. Maximum speed is limited to 220 kilometers per hour, appropriate to its luxury but realistically family car nature. One of the major mechanical aspects is that it can accommodate Nio's ternary NMC chemistry-based exchangeable battery packs, allowing drivers to swap depleted batteries with new ones in about 3 minutes with the help of the company's exclusive dedicated swap stations. The key technological aspect of the vehicle is its adoption of a 925V high-voltage electrical system designed to support 5C rate rapid charging. Such a capacity model means that the battery will be capable of delivering 5 times nominal capacity when it comes to charging power, raising peak charging current to 765 amps and peak power transfer to 600 kilowatts. In doing so, the ES8 NT3 regains 250 kilometers of range in 5 minutes at peak levels. It is one of the fastest charging EVs available in the world, cutting down on the time inconvenience which has otherwise been a weakness for electric vehicles. The next generation ES8 platform, besides being power-tuned, is made for flexibility and durability. Its battery swapping benefit tends towards the high-voltage setup so that users can have flexibility when it comes to charging. Whether on a long highway drive or daily commute, drivers benefit from the quick charging with instant battery swap, which contributes to peace of mind as well as convenience. In terms of price, Nio has kept the price of the new ES8 under wraps, but the previous second-generation model was priced between 498,000 to 598,000 yuan, equivalent to about 69,500 to 83,460 USD. Considering the significant advancements in performance, design, and charging technology, the new car should fetch a slightly higher price. Nevertheless, pricing needs to remain competitive within the Chinese electric luxury SUV market, especially with rising demand for electric high-performance SUVs. Though celebrated as a China EV market pioneer, Nio's second-generation ES8 lagged behind in the first half of 2025, delivering a paltry 2,270 units between January and May. This low sales volume has further strengthened the imperative to launch the NT3 model. The third-generation ES8 will be poised to become one of the major drivers for revamping the ES8's performance in the market and assuming its position in the premium SUV market. The ES8 has been a brand flagship when it comes to what Nio's brand should represent. It was one of its first full-size SUVs and has often represented its ambitions when it comes to performance, technology, and design. The new NT3-powered variant will continue the tradition with the sensational improvements across the board. From an extremely modular platform and supercharged case to a highly developed design language and more size in the case, the ES8 NT3 has been created to meet the demands of a fast-evolving market. Its debut at Nio Day 2025 is more than a launch of a new vehicle. This is a shift in direction, a return to focus on flagship offerings, and an added investment in driving electric SUVs into new realms. As the hype reaches its peak, the third-generation Nio ES8 will redefine China's future of electric mobility, and globally, establishing the company on the international map and offering a solid contender in the premium SUV market.